How to get $250 Uber Eats promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you'll find the search box. Type in ubereats.com and search for it. With that, you'll be directed to the official website of Uber Eats. Now you can log into your account, browse through the menu and order your food. And while you proceed to checkout, you'll find the section of promo code. Over here, you'll need to type in the code, and with that, you'll get the discount. But where can you find Uber Eats promo code? For that, open a new tab, then type in Uber Eats promo code and search for it. Different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get working promo code for Uber Eats. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm going to open this one, Time Magazine. With that, you're going to find amazing deals and offers in this page. 10% coupon, 20% off, $10 off, and many more. Hit towards any of the offer that you want to use. Just go ahead and click on Show Coupon. So here's the code, you can copy it. Then click on the option of View Discount at Uber Eats. With that, you will be directed to the official website of Uber Eats. Now you can log into your account, browse through the menu, confirm your order. While you proceed to confirm your order, you will see the section of promo code. Over there, paste the code and confirm your order. With that, you will get the discount. Also, you can try out these offers. In this page, you're going to find amazing offers. Likewise, go through this website, as this website will also provide you working promo code for Uber Eats. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.